How to view or modify coach feedback. Enter your instructor's portal at linguameeting.com/login. Then select Active Courses on the left side toolbar. Select the desired course and section. Click View Attendance, then locate the desired student and click the Feedback button. A drop-down list will appear, including each session date with the feedback left from the coach. Click View Rubric to see how coaches base their feedback. Now we'll see how to modify coach feedback. After clicking View Attendance on the selected course and section, you will click Get Report. Here you will have two options. You will select Gradebook Report that will download as an Excel. Once the document has successfully downloaded, you are able to modify coach feedback directly on the Excel. Thanks for watching.